Here's my man on his way to break more stuff on this BMW.
Cosmetically improve the BMW, which is in the front end. Of course, it's not the swap. It's just that this thing is very dangerous on the road, and for this, to fix it, first I need the slippers. You need the slippers, special slippers. And
So
then
you take one, and you do one. This was funny, huh?
So now I need to first remove the tape, which is
What the fuck?
very strongly was holding it together. We take this tape, we throw it in the engine because, you know. Okay, so now I guess there are these clips here, and then I just need to do something to take it out. Yeah, there it is. Should I take the other one out first, or do I first put one in?
Yeah.
Okay, it's clean. Okay, there's some rust here.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's bad. I'm going to change the whole hood now. Okay, what are the chances that I pick the right one? And then this just goes in. And that's it. Let's see like before and after. Can you see it? Clean versus dirty one. We have to come. What? She is a professional cameraman, by the way. Professional. Do you see the difference? There is difference, trust me. Trust me, bro. Okay, now these clips.
You will not wait for that one.
I think there are these clips like here that I just need to push in. And then once I start pushing them in, it will work.
Okay, I'll take some 3 hours later.
Okay, this one good, looks good enough.
You said them?
Am I doing the right thing? Like this? Why are you so complicated, man? Nothing in the back. Should be then just this. Okay, perfectly easy. And then this one. Okay, should I put it like this? And it doesn't fit? Or? No. This one doesn't work? And just like that, this thing stopped being fun and turned into a chore. And for, let's say, next 40 minutes, we were just trying to figure out what was the issue, what was not designed properly, how to fix it. Because I didn't want to just throw the piece away. I also didn't want to just return it because that was simple enough, right? And then if you return it, what do you do with it, right? Where do you order a new part? They're all the same. Aftermarket's all the same. I got this part because I thought it would be good, right? But anyway, not to rant too much, let me show you how it actually looks like right now. So right now we have this passenger side, pretty good. This is the part that I bought and this is the original part. Now let me show you what we figured out was wrong with this part. So first, on the passenger side, these little pins, like when they made it, they didn't made it to fit. And so what I was doing is just taking the small knife and just cutting it, making the way for this. And after this was fixed, I tried to fit this part, which is now the driver part, and it didn't have this hole. How can I show it? See this? Yeah, basically I had to make a cutout, and this is for when you lift the hood. There's a little lever that you would pick up. And yeah, for the next whole day I was just basically taking the lighter, and I would just light it up, cut it with the knife, light it up, cut it with the knife. And even with that, all that effort, it ended up being not positioned properly. And then when I would try to hit the hood up, it would somehow like move this whole thing and dislocate it and whatnot. And yeah, so the end result is that I took this part, which I just needed to cut these pins for some time, put it back in, it was working well, and then for the driver's side I just kept the original one. And the question is, right, how hard is just two pieces of plastic, right? If you look at the original part, it has this gummy type of thing, and it's all designed properly and probably has something to do with the air vents. This one, just pure plastic. Like you could just made it out of single piece. Like nobody's going to buy just one piece of this and just call it a day. It'll be much better. But no. And yeah, just to end this video, I'm just going to show it. You know, this is the firma SKW. It says, like, when I got it, it says like German engineering blah blah blah. German engineering my ass. Yeah, so I don't know. This is just the how when even the simplest things that you want to fix can turn into these like very prolonged, labor-intensive things, just because, you know, you don't want to spend OEM money. Like, why would I spend 150 euros or something on a piece of plastic? I didn't. And so yeah, good luck in your endeavors.